How to submit a missed connection claim on AirHelp. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can submit a missed connection claim on AirHelp. So it's very simple. The first step is to log into your AirHelp account, just like I've done here. If you've not created an account, ensure you create one by visiting airhelp.com and then move to the top right corner. You see the option login or sign up. Select sign up, create an account, and then once you've created an account, this is how your home page will look like. All right. Once you're on this page, in order for you to submit a um a missed connection claim on help, all you need to do is to scroll down and then click on the option add claim here, or you can just click on add claim beside protect my future trip. Anyone is fine. So by clicking on add claim, you'll be taken to the page where you can go ahead and submit your claim. Then to submit your claim, move to the left side. You would see four different procedures. The first procedure is the eligibility check. Then the second procedure is additional information, document, and then finish. The first step in order for you to submit your claim for missed connection is to actually check if your airline owes you compensation for that. So to do that, the first step would be for you to enter in your departure airport in the slated box, then your final destination. Then you have to select the fact that you have a connecting flight since you missed a connection. Then you enter in the city or airport name, then add on any other connecting flight that you were meant to take but you missed. Ensure you enter it in here. And then once you're done, move to the bottom right corner, click on continue, and you'll be taken to the next page, which is the additional information page. On this page, you'll be required to provide additional information such as your travel dates, such as the partners, your fellow travelers, if there are more than one passenger, enter in all the information asked. Then you'll be taken to the third stage, which is to provide documents, which includes your boarding pass, your travel itinerary, your passport, and the likes. Ensure you do all of this and then submit your claim, which is for a missed connection. And then once you've done that, help would check through your application, and then once it has been successful, you'll be able to finish the process, and help would help you get compensation from your airline. All right, so all you need to do is to wait for response, and then help will notify you of the outcome. So that is it. All right. So if you're wondering how you can claim for a missed connection on help, I'm sure this video has helped you. So ensure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more enlightening videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.